Hello, it's Getaway Jamie. I'm back from my trip in the Netherlands and I have brought with me some very sweet treats. As you can see, I went shopping in Jumbo, and not only in Jumbo, but most of the products are from there. And today I'm going to present to you what I bought. And in the next video, I'm going to have a very special guest in the channel to try all these candies. Before we start, I would like to remind you to subscribe to the channel because it's very helpful to me. It motivates me to do more videos like this and to keep you entertained and eat all this stuff and get stomach problems. I'm not very sure if that is called an unboxing because I really know what I have in there, so not, or if it's called a supermarket haul, but whatever it is, let's go. Okay, I'm gonna put the bag down so I can see you and you can see the products. The first thing I got is Merk Pipes, this one. I'm not gonna say in details what this is because it's gonna be in the next video, so I'm gonna put that back there. Mini Guvelde Koken, some, I don't think, almond cakes. Red Band candy. Stroopkoken. It kind of looks like stroopwafel, but kind of more like a double stroopwafel. Mini Roskoeken. Yeah, I think the name says it all. It's small rose cakes. Boken Putkes. I'm not sure how I pronounce all this stuff. The classic stroopwafels, probably with, says met romboterp, so I guess it's caramel, butter caramel, could be. Klein Zezut Waterwaken. I think it's licorice, some kind of licorice. And last but not least, something that I got from Hema actually, and not from Jumbo. It's this thing. I'm not sure what that is. We're gonna find now in the next video. Gewuld Spekulas, whatever that is. My bag is empty. I had bought another thing as well, but we had a casualty in the suitcase. The bag popped, so I could not let it like that and I had to eat it. It was some Lay's crisps that are not exactly crisps, but they look like Cheetos. And they were very delicious. They had bacon in them. And they were very nice. They're supposed to be local to the Netherlands, but I actually had tried them here as well under the Cheetos brand. All this stuff along with the crisps cost me about 20 euros, 20 to 21 euros, and they were okay-ish, I guess. I really though do remember the first time that I went to the Netherlands and I went to Albert Heijn. They had stroopwafels and it cost less than €1. I think it was about 80 cents. It was in 2015. Correct me if I'm wrong, I think that they have gone very expensive the late years. So there you have all the stuff that in the next video I'm gonna try out with the special guest that I'm gonna have to the channel. I know that everything is really sweet, but I could not find savory stuff that did not spoil out of the fridge or that I could find on the internet. So if you have anything to recommend for me, that would be very nice. Surely I will not show herring, which is one of my favorite things when I go to the Netherlands, but it's gonna be a very tasty video. You don't wanna miss that. So like the video, subscribe to the channel, get some snacks of yourself, recommend other snacks that I should get when I go to the Netherlands the next time, and see you on the next one. Bye bye.